I don't know. He's good. I think he's... I don't know if he's full or not. Come on. You want some more? Let's see if I can get him to want to fly back to the tree. Last time he flew out, you know, they got rained on, so I don't know if he's really wanting to. The other one's up in that tree. Right there he is. There he is.
And his friends come.
Here's this one. He's gonna be hungry.
2 wild birds. Oh, dick. Oh. Is he gonna fool him?
Did he chop it off? No.
No.
I think this guy might be the one that's...
They really like that stuff. What is that?
It's egg and milk crackers mixed. Ironic, huh? And there he goes.
No, not first class.
After I think he feels full, then he leaves.
That one, yeah, leaves right away after he feels full.
Yep. This guy, he sticks around.
He's sticking out, really.
He goes.
Here, fly to the
Yeah.
Oh. Oh!
He flew into the fence.
Yeah. Let me get that. Might be in shock.
For what? Nah, he's not.
I think something happened where maybe he tried to...
Stick on the fence. He tried to land on the fence. Like he tries to land on the fence, you know.
He wasn't ready to go.
Yeah.
He's underneath
Oh.
there. He's walking around.
This one doesn't really fly that much, does he?
No, he does.
He's the younger one?
They both went and fly all over.
Yeah, I just
They
don't know.
both
Why.
can fly to any tree, but
I just don't know why he's flying.
just get him out of there.
I can't really see him out, or I can't really see him. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's out. He's been out.
Okay.
He just don't really. Come on, bird, fly.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Go up there.
Back there.
There he goes.
And they'll be back later for some more food.